Hi guys! This is the Mary Kay CC Cream Complexion Corrector Cream with sunscreen SPF 15. All skin types. This is suitable for sensitive skin and acne-prone skin. Oil and fragrance free. It is shown to hydrate for 10 hours. Ang uses niya, it helps prevent sunburn. Right now, I already did my makeup, eye makeup, and my eyebrows. Pero wala pa akong foundation kasi I wanna show you kung paano ko ginagamit itong Mary Kay CC Cream. I've been using this lately as sunscreen. Ito yung itsura niya. It has a convenient pump. So, nakakontrol. Mas madaling kontrolin ang product. If you can see, may mga blemishes pa ako nandyan and all that. So, yung etong CC cream, actually, pwede nyo siyang gamitin alone. Pero, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin as base for your foundation. So, depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong coverage. Natural looking lang or you want a flawless looking coverage. You can opt to wear foundation. Ginagamit ko to using a brush kasi, you know me, ayoko nalalagyan ng cream yung fingers ko. Pero, okay lang din naman if you use it with a sponge. Depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo. Just gonna pump. Medyo thicker siya. My shade is light to medium. Itong packaging nila, it has 29 ml of the product. Lalagay muna ako sa half side ng aking face. Ang gustong-gusto ko dito sa Mary Kay, ang babango ng products nila. Yung foundation na ginagamit ko, yung matte wear, it smells so good. Since I have oily skin, talagang mabilis mag-oil up yung skin ko. Ang ginagawa ko, talagang nilalagyan ko ng foundation over it. Yung foundation na may oil control. Okay, so this is the side na merong CC cream. Ito yung malapa. So, makikita nyo nag-even out yung skin tone. Pwede na siya as is or alone na kahit walang foundation or concealer. Okay, I'm gonna apply it on the rest of my face. And this time, I'm gonna be using my Mary Kay Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. It's now 11:02 p.m. As you can see, what do you think? To be honest, nag-blot ako ng oil ko pero hindi ako nag-retouch ng powder. So, 2 times lang ako nag-blot kasi nga, syempre, within that 7 hours, kanina nasa labas ako so I have to blot my oil para hindi naman nakakahiyang tingnan. Iba-blot ko muna yung oil sa aking face and then magre-retouch na rin ako. Sa akin, okay lang naman yung Mary Kay CC Cream alone. Kahit yung coverage niya, actually okay lang. Pero, hindi lang ako nagre-rely sa kanya. Kagaya nga na sinabi ko, my face is really oily. Kaya pagdating ng ilang oras, sobrang oily na talaga ng face ko. So, ang ginagawa ko, pinapatungan ko siya ng Matte Wear Time Wise Liquid Foundation or any foundation na maganda ang oil control. Sandali ka lang lalabas. Okay na yung Mary Kay CC Cream. For example, sa mga nanay na, you know, lalabas ka lang, may bibiling ka lang sa grocery and gusto mo mukhang presentable naman kahit papano, okay na to. Maganda yung benefits niya. Diba, yung mga BB creams, CC creams, mga 2 weeks ko na tong ginagamit, itong Mary Kay CC Cream. Ginagamit ko siya as base. I love it. Ang bango-bango niya. Wala ako actually, maliban, yun lang talaga yung kalaban ko talaga yung oiliness ko. Pero ako, tanggap ko na yung aking pagka-oily. Wala na akong magagawa dyan. Tsaka, I would like to believe na nakakatulong yung aking pagiging oily para hindi ako mag-wrinkle kagad. I would like to believe. Ewan ko kung totoo yun, pero sana. Ito magandang pang araw-araw kasi meron na siyang sunblock. I really love these products. Itong Mary Kay CC Cream and itong Mary Kay Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. This is my second. Kaya gusto kong itry nyo din sila. So, I will be giving away 1 CC Cream and 1 Mary Kay Time Wise Matte Wear Liquid Foundation. I will also be giving away 2 e.l.f. Baked Blush, one in Peachy Cheeky, and one in Passion Pink. All you have to do is like this video, and syempre like nyo din yung Beautylicious Deals page. I will be putting the link below. And comment lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Kung ano mas preferred nyo, kung foundation or CC cream or BB cream or both. And your Facebook name. I'll be choosing 2 winners. One for the foundation and one for the CC cream. Kung hindi pa malinaw yung mechanics sa inyo, of course, ililista ko siya sa description box. I will be choosing the winners on June 17, 2014. Tama ba? Mamaya January na naman sinabi ko. June 17, 2014. Good luck! And yeah, yun lang. If you want to share your experiences with this product as usual, please comment down below. So, thanks for watching. See you again on my next video.